everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your password for your LinkedIn profile. While logging into your LinkedIn account, you'll need to type in your email or your phone number followed by your password. Sometimes, in case you've forgotten your password, you can easily reset your password by following these simple instructions. In the login area of LinkedIn, click on the Forgot Password button if you've forgotten your password. On the next page, type in your email address or the phone number that is associated with your LinkedIn account. Soon after you type it in, tap on Reset Password. You'll need to enter the 6-digit verification code in order to verify your email address. Simply open up your email service provider that is associated with LinkedIn and you'll be able to receive an inbox from LinkedIn. Tap it open and copy the PIN that you received. Go back to LinkedIn app and type in the 6-digit code that you received or paste it in and tap on the Submit button. Once your email has been verified, you'll be asked to choose a new password for your account. Type in the new password you'd like to reset to for your LinkedIn account, and on the next field where it says retype new password, type in your new password one more time. Once you're done typing in your password again, if you'd like to, you have an option to require all the devices to sign in with new passwords that are logged in with your LinkedIn profile. Make sure that the box is checked if you want to do that. If not, leave it unchecked, but I would like to suggest you to do so for your security. Once you are done, tap on Submit, and that way you'll be able to reset your password for LinkedIn. Next time you log into your account, remember that you recently changed your password to something else. That is how you can easily reset your LinkedIn account's password even if you've forgotten your password during login in. How to log out of your LinkedIn account using your mobile device. To log out of your LinkedIn application from your mobile device is quite easy. Here's my LinkedIn application open up and I'm in my home page right now. From your main home page of LinkedIn, if you'd like to log out of the application, go to the top left-hand corner and tap the human icon. Now, click on the settings button at the bottom of the screen. Scroll all the way down until you see a sign out button. Give it a tap in order to sign out of your LinkedIn application from your mobile device. Next time you try to log in, you'll need to type in your email or your phone number followed by your password, and remember to get your credentials correct. That's how you can easily log out or sign out of LinkedIn application. How to build your LinkedIn profile on your mobile device. In order to build your LinkedIn profile, there are 3 key factors you'd want to update on your LinkedIn profile. The first thing is your profile picture. Simply tap open your LinkedIn application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside, tap on your profile icon at the top left-hand corner. Tap View Profile option, and in order to set a profile picture for yourself in order to build a good profile for LinkedIn, tap on the plus icon right under the camera icon at the top left. Now, you can either add a profile photo, a profile video, or a frame. Let's tap on the first option that says Add Profile Photo. Now, you can either take a photo from your device's camera by tapping on Take a Photo, or if you want to upload an existing picture from your library, tap on Upload from Photos. Allow access for LinkedIn to your photos by tapping on Allow Access to All Photos. And now, once you open up your library, select any image you'd like to upload as your profile picture. Tap on Choose. In order to choose the particular picture, you can now set your photo like how you'd want it to appear on your profile, and you can also make other changes. For example, you can pick a filter for yourself, adjust your picture, and right where it says Visibility, tap it on at the bottom right and select who can view your LinkedIn photos. After you are done, tap Save at the top right. Once you pick a profile picture for yourself, people will want to connect you or offer you a business proposal based on your profile picture. You can also try uploading your cover image. Tap on the camera icon at the top right, and you can also take a picture for your LinkedIn cover by tapping on Take a Photo and click a picture from your camera, or upload the picture from your library by choosing the second option. Once you are done uploading your profile picture on your LinkedIn profile, the next thing to do is to edit your intro. Tap the pencil icon at the right-hand side from your profile picture and type in your information in the text boxes. You can select your headline, your current position on a company where you're working right now. You can also add your education background, select your location, and tap on Edit Contact Info at the bottom and type in a phone number you'd like to use for your LinkedIn profile. Select your phone type, enter your address, enter your date of birth on the next field, and you can also add a website or an instant messaging option for your LinkedIn profile. After you are done editing your contact info, tap Save at the bottom. Now, the next thing to mention on your LinkedIn profile is your summary. Simply go ahead and tap on Add Section option and tap on Add About. Here, in the About section of your profile, you need to express your mission, motivations, and skills to people who view your profile. Simply go ahead and add all your relevant work and education experience, your relevant skills, request recommendations in order to build up your profile on LinkedIn. This way you can easily revamp your profile on LinkedIn so that you can attract more viable leads or developed personal brand right from your LinkedIn profile. How to search on LinkedIn. Tap open your LinkedIn application from the app drawer and make sure that you are logged in first. You'll be able to see the search bar at the very top of the LinkedIn homepage, which is labeled as Search. Go ahead and tap it on and enter the keywords you're looking for in the search bar. You can search for people, jobs, companies, posts, and so much more. Once you enter the keyword, you'll be able to see the suggested list displayed right beneath the search box. Simply press one of the options that is displayed and you'll be able to see the result on the next page. At the very top of the screen, you'll be able to filter your search results by category. If you're looking for jobs, you can choose the jobs option. You can easily filter your search result by the category at the top. Simply give it a click on any one of those and you'll be able to make a search on LinkedIn. How to sign up for a LinkedIn account. To sign up for a LinkedIn account using a mobile device, first make sure that you've downloaded the application. Simply tap open after you are done and you'll end up in this first interface. To create a new account, tap on the Join Now button displayed highlighted in blue and type in an email address that you'd like to use. Once you are done, tap the Continue button. Create a new password which is at least 6 characters long. And once you are done typing in an email and password, tap the Continue button. On the next page, you'll need to type in your first name and your last name. Start off with your first and then your last on the next. After you are done, tap on Agree and Join, since you'll be agreeing the LinkedIn's user agreement, privacy policy, and cookie policy. Tap on that button and you'll be taken to a next page where you'll need to verify that you're a real person. Tap on the Verify button and pick the image that is in the correct way up. And once you are done with the verification, enter your location on the next page. If your location for your device is turned on, it will be automatically typed in. And now, tap the next button at the bottom. Select if you are a student or not by toggling on and off this button. And if you're not a student, go ahead and type in your job title by selecting from the options. Select your employment type from the drop-down. Enter the name of your most recent company. Once you type in all of the information, tap the next button at the bottom. And on the next page, go ahead and add a photo for yourself, which will help people recognize you. You can do this right now by tapping on Add a Photo. Take a photo from your camera by choosing the first option, or choose an existing picture from your library by choosing the second option. Or you can also skip the step for now by tapping on Skip for Now at the bottom. Now you'll need to type in the 6-digit code in the text box that has been sent on your email inbox. Go ahead and type it in after opening up your inbox and tap the next button beneath. Once your email has been confirmed, you'll need to select more answer to the questions that will be asked to you along the way. Simply go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts and tap the next button and you'll be able to create a new account for LinkedIn. With the LinkedIn account signed up, you can go ahead and use it to build connection in your industry and stay in touch with colleagues, past and present. You can also use it to find the right job or internship for yourself with just a few simple taps from your mobile devices. How to change your LinkedIn account's password using mobile device. To change your LinkedIn account's password, tap open your LinkedIn application from the app drawer. Make sure that you're logged into your LinkedIn account. Once you are, from the main home page, go to the top left-hand corner and tap on your profile icon. Click Settings located at the bottom of the screen, and from the settings menu, select Sign In and Security. Tap on Change Password from the options. Type in your current password in the first text box and make sure to type in the correct one. If you don't remember your current password, you can tap on Forgot Password link at the very bottom of the screen, and that way you'll be able to change your password as well. Now head over to the next field and type in the new password you would want to change to. After you are done, retype in the password one more time in the last text box. For your security, tap on this little box beneath that says Require all devices to sign in with new password, just in case you've logged into your LinkedIn account on other devices as well. Logging out of all of the devices will help you keep your LinkedIn profile secure from possible threats. After everything's typed in, tap on Save Password at the bottom, and that way you'll be able to change your password for LinkedIn. Pretty simple, isn't it? How to log into LinkedIn using a mobile device. If you want to log in to your LinkedIn account using your mobile device, then first make sure that you've downloaded the application on your mobile device. If not, go visit your Play Store or your App Store and search for LinkedIn, and you should be able to see the application with a logo like this. Once you download the application, tap it open, and the first interface of LinkedIn will look like this. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Join Now and follow the on-screen prompts. To sign into an existing account, tap on the Sign In button at the bottom and enter your email or your phone number associated with LinkedIn, followed by its password. In the first text box, type in the email address that you registered with LinkedIn. Once you are done, head over to the password field and type in your password correct. In case you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Password link and follow the on-screen prompts. After typing in your credential, tap Sign In. Allow LinkedIn in order to send you notifications by tapping Allow. If you don't want to do that, tap on Don't Allow and wait for a few seconds. Soon after you are done, you'll be logged into your LinkedIn account from your mobile device. Pretty simple, isn't it? How to delete your LinkedIn account using your mobile device. If you want to delete your LinkedIn profile or your LinkedIn account, simply tap open your LinkedIn application on your mobile device. You can also do this with the help of a web browser. From the main homepage of LinkedIn, go to the top left-hand corner and click on the human icon. Tap the settings button at the very bottom of the screen, and this will open up the settings menu. Tap on Account Preferences and scroll all the way down. Tap Close Account. And now, if you want to close your LinkedIn account, remember that you'll lose your connection, your messages, endorsements, and recommendations. Tap the Continue button in order to continue deleting your account. Now go ahead and choose any region that matches yours in order to close your account and tap the Next button. Type in your LinkedIn account's password, that is your current password, in the text box. And if you want to unsubscribe from LinkedIn email communications including invitations, tap on this little box beneath. Now select Done and your account will be deleted or closed for LinkedIn. Your profile will disappear from the search engines in a couple of weeks. That's how you can easily delete your LinkedIn account from your mobile device. How to block someone on LinkedIn. Tap open your LinkedIn application from the app drawer and make sure that you are logged into your account. To block someone on LinkedIn, you'll first need to go to the profile of the person you'd want to block. You can search for the person by typing their name in the search box at the top, and once you find the person in the search result, tap on their name in order to end up in their profile. Now, you'll be able to see a 3-dot right next to the message button. Give it a tap and tap on Report or Block option at the bottom. You have 4 options you could choose from on the next page. You can either report content from the profile by choosing the first option. If you want to report a post, comment, or a message, choose the second option. If you want to get help for the person, tap on Get Help. And if you want to block the person, tap the block option at the last. Now, tap on Block at the bottom in order to confirm, and that way you'll be able to block someone on LinkedIn. After you block someone, recommendation from them will no longer appear on your profile, and the person will now appear on your blocked list. They won't be able to receive any notifications from this action, and they won't be able to see your profile on LinkedIn. That is how you can easily block someone on your LinkedIn account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.